Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how you can basically unblock your Tabby account. So if your Tabby account is blocked, you don't need to worry because I'm going to give you some of the fixes that you can try. So first of all, Tabby may block your account for one of the following reasons. Like first of all, if you have missed your payments, so unpaid installments can lead to a temporary block. The unusual transactions may also trigger the security measure, so you need to make sure that you haven't made any suspicious activity with your account. Sometimes there might be the verification issues, so outdated or incorrect account details can also cause restrictions. So in order to unblock your account, you can try one of these methods. Based on the reason of your blocking, you will have to find the solution. Like if you have missed the payments, you just have to clear any of the pending payments. For that, you need to open your Tabby app and you need to log in into your account. Over here on the home page, you will see the pay option, so you need to simply tap on the pay option and pay the overdue installments. Once cleared, your account may be restored automatically. If the verification is the issue, you need to check and update your details in the app. And if your account is still blocked, you can reach out to the Tabby customer support team through the application or website for further assistance. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.